Pass to Kobe. Kobe, then to shoot. Ella with a fadeaway, and that will be the ball. Azam, pinasa kay Sadik. Sadik, dumidiskarte para sa Guerrero. Alley-oop pass, and an easy 2-point. Ella, dumidiskarte, pass to Kobe for 3. Way off the rim. Foul! Nakakuha 28 seconds of the ball game. Sadik, rebound, floater. Azam, binalik kay Sadik. Sadik, back to Azam. Azam hesitates for 2. Nakuha ulit ang El Guerrero. Outlet pass to Sadik. Sadik! In favor of Izal. Napakabilis nilang hinabot ang game na to. Grabe.
Alright.
Para sa Guerrero, hinaharas ni Dice. Sadik, grabs into the lane. Pass to Valeria for 3. Pasok para kay throw for Ella. Pass. Yusuf, pass back to Guro. Wala, Guro. Guro, wala pa rin. Rebound by Guro. Aleria, dumidiskarte, 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot po tayo. Aleria for 3. Bako ang pinili. Aleria paso, Ella for 2. Kobe, dumidiskarte. Kobe for 3. Guerrero. Sadik, grabs into the line. Sadik. San basketball team. First free throw.
Syukran. Nice game. I-share mo ha. Teka lang, di mo.
Sadik by Siminay. Number 45. Jeff